Comparing network cables to see which is of high quality and which is of low quality. Let's strip them and take a look. The network cable we are looking at today is a typical example of copper-clad aluminum cable. This cable looks very soft, without any rigidity. It easily bends when slightly folded and does not hold its shape. We'll now use a utility knife blade to strip it open to see what it looks like inside. If possible, you could also prepare a utility knife and cut diagonally across the cable surface to open it up for a closer look. Here, we can see that the core of the wire is silver colored. This is an aluminum wire. Normally, a network cable has a pure copper core, and no matter how deep the cut is, the cross-section is always golden. When we scrape off a thin layer, we can see the original appearance of the wire. Remove the sheath from several strands to examine them further. The wires inside turn out to be this silver-white color. These are copper-clad aluminum wires, and the core is made of aluminum. Such cables definitely cannot achieve gigabit transmission rates. In fact, some inferior quality cables cannot even reach 100 megabits. Here we have a genuine pure copper network cable. Firstly, it is considerably more rigid. The cable feels tight and it is difficult to form any kind of shape with it. We use a utility knife to cut the cross-section diagonally, removing all of the jacket to reveal the interior. All of the wire cores are shown to be golden yellow. This is a genuine pure copper network cable.